Well, tonight, 5 people are at local hospitals following a carbon monoxide leak at a downtown Atlanta hotel. Our Erica Murphy joining us live tonight from the residence in Atlanta. This is on Peachtree Street. Erica, we know that you've been there for much of the day, really just exploring and speaking to people. Do we know what is happening right now?
Well, we know that the fire department has packed up and left, but for the people who were staying at this hotel, the staff, and the people who had to be rushed to the hospital, this is not over. This afternoon, people who had to be evacuated from the residence and got word from hotel staff that it was safe to return, but the hotel is still closed as a tough work of figuring out when this leak, where this leak originated from, gets underway. The call came in around 8:30 this morning, prompting Atlanta Fire and Rescue to come out. 5 people, including 3 adults and 2 kids, had to be transported to the hospital. Their conditions at this hour are unknown. Assistant Fire Chief Greg Gray and his team took a multi-pronged approach.
Upon arrival, when Engine 6 got here, they were able to get the initial victims down to Grady to be transported, and then once we got all the resources on scene, we had to start and just go in and evacuate the entire building just to make sure that we didn't have any other victims inside. We got the entire building opened up as best we can from the ground floor up to the roof. We've got fans, and we're positive pressure ventilating.
Now, I did speak with one of the hotel's managers earlier. He said that they did not have time to speak with the media because obviously they have a lot going on. I also spoke with a customer earlier who said that he got a call from hotel staff saying it was okay for him to come and pick up his things, and that this hotel would pay for accommodations at another hotel for anyone who was displaced today. We also saw on social media that the fire department is saying that the CO levels here are acceptable at this time. Reporting from downtown, Erica Murphy, 11 Alive News.